This is our beach, guys. This is, yeah, I have not been to the beach in like 20 years, but here we are. The water is so, like, it's salt water, obviously, so it hurts so bad. My mom's gonna get so mad if I drop my phone in the water, but I won't. So he's not giving up, guys. Oh, just kidding. What happened? You couldn't get the bird? Come on. So it finally stopped raining, so I'm gonna try and go in the water again. I don't want to put my phone in the water.
I could dance like Michael Jackson. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist.
Yeah, we got a standard chicken out of the
That's pretty good.
I didn't tell him to do this.
So their plan is to make a pool and a jacuzzi. I already know it's probably not gonna work, and I would help them, but let me see your hands. Show them your hands. I don't want to get it in my nails, but I'll help. Someone wrote poop. I'm gonna wet my hair again because it looks really crazy when it's like dry because it's curly. And if you don't know, I straighten my hair every whatever. This is Olivia. When are we starting? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my God, it's spinning in her head. Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah.
La volteaste a verla.
Put it out the coupe in the lot. 20 fuck 12 fuck SWAT. Buzzing all the tails out the box. I just hit a lick.
Ay. Grábalas, grábalas.
Okay, so we're about to leave right now. They're finishing packing up. I already helped. I'm just gonna get my brother and we're gonna leave.
They said that this nigga fucking her. Wanna see me lately. Wonder why they bitch wanna date me. Wonder why they cannot escape me. Wonder why some goofy nigga on the internet richer than them with brains.
Bite it.
Fucking up. In the rankings, I pop with my boss. Say you want me, then you out of love, baby girl.
Okay, so we just got home and now we're in my pool. So dumb. Let's all go in the water.
Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson.
Hi.
Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.
Okay, ready? Go.
Going nuts. Niggas slipping one so patient.
Ready? Over here. Let's go. Go.
Solo, just running through my hands.
Hallelujah. Oh.
myself again. I'ma break everybody.
I'm gonna play a game that she's gonna jump from there and do a pose and we have to copy it.
Okay, so the best one who did it was you. So you have to go first. You do the next pose and we copy you.
Okay.
Look at my teeth, my smiles, my teeth. Look guys, her smile's so pretty.
Thank you.
Her smile's so pretty.
I know.
So pretty.
Me too. I know.